Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable notifications on the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you may log in using your social accounts or your seed or recovery phrase. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to enable or disable notification settings, then just tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on the gear icon at the top right, and now tap on Preferences. You will now see the notifications option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will see the Allow Notifications checkbox. You can tap on the toggle and then tap on the Allow button, and now this will allow notifications from the Phantom Wallet application within your device. You can turn off individual kinds of notifications by looking at what kind of notifications they are and whether you need them or not. If you wish to disable notifications, you can simply tap on the toggle to turn them off, and this will disable all notifications within your application. You may also disable individually from the various different kinds. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable notifications on the Phantom Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.